Respected guests of honors, my colleagues, who si Lalsoy Vungaan, who PC Vanorwata, Dr. Anupam Misra, Honorable Vice Chancellor, CAU Impal. I had a chance of meeting him once, sometimes back in Tenzol, in the Horticulture College, which happens to be, fortunately, in my constituency. And under his leadership, the Horticulture College at Tenzol is growing and improving. Dr. Vandana Tripathi, Network Coordinator, All India Network Project on Pesticides and Contaminants. Dr. S.A. Versney, former Vice Chancellor, Duvashu. Dr. Lalnun Kluangimpar, Dean, esteemed faculty members, distinguished guests, dear students, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It's my great honor and privilege to join you on this important occasion, the 27th Foundation Day of the College of Veterinary Sciences and Animal Husbandry, Selesih, and the inauguration of the Pesticide Residue Analysis Laboratory, the first facility of its kind in Mizoram. If I'm not mistaken, it's not only the first of its kind in Mizoram, I think it is the first kind in the whole Northeast. This is a moment of pride, not only for this college and the Central Agriculture University, but for the entire state of Mizoram. Thanks for the warm welcome we had received, me and my colleagues, my teams, with that typical Kualam dance. This is the first time I had ever seen such kind of Kualam dance. The students are coming from various places with diverse social backgrounds. And today in the morning I had seen those diverse cultures beautifully and harmoniously synchronized in one Kualam dance. I've never seen that. It's a typical one, and it's really, really a rare privilege for us. Over the past 27 years, this college has established itself as a pillar of scientific progress and community service in the region. It has contributed immensely to veterinary education, livestock research, disease control, and farmer outreach programs. The college has produced numerous highly competent graduates who are serving not only in Mizoram, but throughout the Northeast and across India. These achievements clearly reflect the strong academic foundation and dedicated mentorship provided here. I extend my sincere gratitude to the faculty and the administration of this college for your exemplary service and commitment over the last 27 years. Animal husbandry in Mizoram is not merely an occupation. It is an integral part of our culture, identity, and our way of life. Our forefathers has been rearing various kinds of animals. So it's not only a new thing for us, it belongs to our DNA. Animal husbandry is in our DNA here. This is what we have been doing from our predecessors from time immemorial. However, due to limited exposure to scientific methods and modern technological practices, our farmers has not been able to fully maximize their production potential. Consequently, several challenges continue to hinder the growth of this sector, and our state remains heavily dependent on importing meat and related products from outside the state. The people of Mizoram feel a strong sense of connection and ownership towards this veterinary college and the horticulture college at Tenzol. We are deeply committed to contributing and participating in their growth and development in every way we can. In this regard, I would honestly urge the Honorable Vice Chancellor to kindly consider providing greater opportunities for our local people in both teaching and non-teaching roles. Creating such opportunity will not only help in generating local employment, but also strengthen institutional capacity and enhance extension services and outcomes for our farmers. To the faculty members, your work forms the foundation of the college's reputation. Through your dedication of teaching, research, and community service, you are shaping capable professionals and strengthening the backbone of Mizoram and the Northeast agricultural sector. I encourage you to continue to innovate, mentor, publish, collaborate, and engage with our farmers and policymakers. To the students, you are the future of India's veterinary, agricultural, and rural development landscape. Study with commitment, serve with empathy, and hold fast to the values of integrity and excellence that this college upholds. Your work will touch lives directly and meaningfully. Today, we also inaugurated Mizoram's first ever pesticide residue analysis laboratory, established here on the campus by the government of Mizoram and under the RKVY scheme. I extend my sincere appreciation to all those who have contributed to the successful establishment of this laboratory. This faculty and this facility will significantly enhance the college's capacity for education, research, and scientific analysis. It will also support the government's efforts in safeguarding public health and ensuring food safety standards. This is indeed a milestone, not only for the college, but for the state of Mizoram as a whole. When pesticides are not applied as per good agricultural practices, they may leave residues on food crops. Chronic exposure to even low levels of pesticide residues is known to affect immunity, learning ability, hormonal balance, and general health. Some studies have even linked long-term exposure to changes in population health, patterns, and ecological imbalance. We are now equipped with advanced analytical instruments capable of detecting pesticides residues with high accuracy and reliability. This enables scientific monitoring of vegetables, fruits, water, soil, and livestock-related samples. It will also enhance the market value of Mizoram's agricultural products, including potential export opportunities. Therefore, this laboratory presents both a scientific breakthrough and economic opportunity for our farmers. As we celebrate these two milestones, let us move forward with renewed determination, unity, and vision. Let us continue to uphold excellence in teaching, research, extension, and service, so that knowledge translates into progress, and progress uplifts every household in Mizoram and across the Northeast. Thank you.